We will provide responses to issues that pertain to us and put clarity to any allegations. And so what matters is not the untested allegations. What matters, because the court of public opinion is not a court at all. It can lynch you, it can perpetrate its perceptions and speculations and all of those. That's okay. What matters in the end is that little thing called the facts and the truth, which I think we all must be prepared to subject ourselves to. And so it really is an important process, and that's why I have supported it very vociferously from the very outset, and have never minced my word about where I stand in relation to the Commission of Inquiry. I don't think it matters who says they will boycott the budget or not. I think what matters is that we have a budget, a very good budget. We will present this budget. The budget is above any individual or questions on that individual. It's a very good story. It demonstrates very tough decisions that have been taken on the issues without any fear or favor. And I think that we need to look forward to it. We will engage with all the stakeholders, and we will tirelessly answer the questions about our personal integrities, about all allegations that are put forward. And I think eventually the truth is going to come out for everybody. And I think all of us who are happy to make the allegations must equally be prepared to listen to the facts and accept the facts when they are being put forward. There is a process that we have advocated for, and we must allow that process to take place. Similarly, for those who are wondering about whether the Minister of Finance will be reshuffled or not, don't worry about that. The President is ultimately has the prerogative over the issue. He will take his decisions about it. I have said I will support the President in whatever decision that he takes, and that we serve at the pleasure of the President. He appoints us, he replaces us, he reshuffles us. It's all within the powers and the prerogatives of the President. The President, we will support him fully. I believe very much in the vision the President has presented, and I think that he needs all of our wholehearted support, whatever, in however the way he chooses to implement and execute his vision.